And probers are looking into the business angle as a possible motive in the killing of businessman Kelvin Tan. This after the robbery motive was set aside by authorities. This report.
Today released the composite sketch of the gunman of businessman Kelvin Tan, who was gunned down last Monday after withdrawing 800,000 pesos at China Bank Ortigas branch. Based on the description of a lone witness, the gunman stands at about 5'6" to 5'7", medium built, 55 to 58 years old, has fair complexion, and weighs about 150 to 160 pounds. According to San Juan Chief of Police Senior Superintendent Bernard Tambawan, they are looking the business angle as the possible motive of the killing.
Meron tayong anggulong tinitignan na motibo sa tungkol sa business. So yung mga details, hindi ko pa pwedeng i-reveal, baka ma-compromise yung ating operational data.
Robbery angle, on the other hand, has been ruled out by San Juan Police. Authorities believe that the mastermind did not directly talk with the suspects believed to be hired killers and instead has laid down his plans to a middleman.
Kasi may conduit ito. Hindi to rektado yung pinaka-mastermind, hindi to rumekta sa gunman. Mayroon siyang ginamit na conduit.
Victim Kelvin Tan is into construction and interior design. The gunman reportedly has 2 backups when he performed the crime. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltasar.